Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will guide you through the process to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering in Windows 11. And now let's get started. The first thing to check is to ensure your Bluetooth device and your computer are within range. Also, verify that your Bluetooth device is of good quality. If these basic checks are in order, and you are still experiencing stuttering audio, the issue may lie with your Bluetooth drivers. To address this, we will access the Device Manager, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar, and open it. Once Device Manager is open, expand the list of Bluetooth adapters. Locate the adapter that seems relevant, often labeled something like MediaTek, and right-click on it. Select the option to update drivers. This step attempts to resolve any issues with outdated or corrupted driver files. If the stuttering persists after updating drivers, it is possible that the problem stems from the Bluetooth hardware itself. However, by addressing potential driver conflicts, we have covered the most common, software-related causes for Bluetooth audio stuttering. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.